Well, I guess when I initially heard it, it was kind of silly. I guess I really overinflated it. I'm like, man, if we win, we get to put a rover on the moon, and that's not the case. NASA Club is for the NASA Lunabotics competition down in Florida. Last year, we went down there with a rough draft, if I should say. We didn't really know what we were doing, but that was like the fun part of it, is that we didn't know what we were doing. You actually go to the Kennedy Space Center, and that's really cool because the Kennedy Space Center is like a kind of like a theme park, and then they have this big hall that we brought the rover in, and we tune up everything and we put everything together, make sure everything is working. They put it in this thing called the pit. It has this material in it called BP20 that makes up the floor, and you're supposed to go from the starting area, traverse some rocks and some divots and craters, and get to the other side where there's a digging zone. You dig up this thing called regolith, which is these little pebbles, and then you deposit it into a bin that's at the start. And you do that 2 times, and your goal is to try to get as much regolith as possible. The wheels are very important, especially because the BP20 is it's slippery, so you slip a lot. And it's almost like if you can't get traction, you won't move. I'm a big fan of freely learning. I think I get the most value out of my clubs that I'm in. I think if you go to college and you don't go to a club, you are missing out on a lot. The people who were here who were working on the project were people who wanted to be here. We really got people who are passionate about it.